Here's some space colonization trivia. Subscribe. Which celestial body is most targeted for human settlement? Is it A, Venus, B, Europa, C, Mars, or D, Ganymede? The correct answer is C, Mars. What is the strategic plan for human survival on another planet called? Is it A, space warfare, B, colonization plan, C, galactic expansion, or D, terraforming? The correct answer is D, terraforming. Which organization conducts research on Mars habitat? Is it A, SpaceX, B, ESA, UN, or D, NASA? The correct answer is D, NASA. What is the term for colonies established on celestial bodies? Is it A, intergalactic platforms, B, cosmic settlements, C, solar colonies, or D, extraterrestrial colonies? The correct answer is D, extraterrestrial colonies. What is the aim of the Mars One project? Is it A, space tourism, B, colonizing Mars, C, mining asteroids, or D, establishing moon base? The correct answer is B, colonizing Mars. Which element is critical for sustaining human life in closed environments? Is it A, nitrogen, B, hydrogen, C, helium, or D, oxygen? The correct answer is D, oxygen. What type of structure could support human life in space? Is it A, lunar rover, B, habitat module, C, Mars probe, or D, satellite dish? The correct answer is B, habitat module. What genetic engineering process may aid in human adaptation to Mars? Is it A, cloning technology, B, GMO foods, C, CRISPR, or D, gene therapy? The correct answer is C, CRISPR. What is the name of the Chinese Mars rover launched in 2021? Is it A, Curiosity rover, B, Spirit rover, C, Tianwen-1, or D, Opportunity rover? The correct answer is C, Tianwen-1. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.